Who at the door? Better be who I think it is in this motherfucker. Waiting on your ass all day, bitch. Now, about time you pulled up. Bring the box in. Bring your shit in. Bitch, give me the box, bitch. Give me the box, bitch. Damn. Vision 11. We got RGBs in this motherfucker. Get the red. Maybe get the gray. Get the blue. All right, we got white. I'll fuck with this later. All right, cool. We got a 9070 XT on the GPUs, so we pretty good on that end. We got a terabyte of space. I'll upgrade this later on. We got a DDR5 RAM, eForce 32 gigabytes. Pull this off. That off.
Wow.
Hell yeah.